G'day, I'm Grant from Motion, and with me today is Nathan, application engineer from 3M. Welcome, Nathan.
Thanks, Grant. How are you doing?
Good. So today we're talking about, in particular, the 3M Fibre Disc.
Yep.
I love fibre discs. More importantly, what makes the 3M Fibre Disc so much better than anyone else's?
Yep. So this is our new 982CX Pro, and this is an upgrade from our existing 982C. So it actually cuts 33% faster than our already market-leading product.
So some significant time savings there, which is really important for our customers and our users out there.
Yep, yeah, huge. So with that extra time saving, they can get more throughput through their factory and get more work done at the end of the day.
And what other advantages am I going to see from this particular product?
So with our Cubitron mineral that's in it, having that, because it's a sharp triangle minerals, it'll actually cut a lot faster, it'll last a lot longer, and it cuts cooler as well.
So I can feel the grittiness here. In particular, I can feel those peaks and valleys in the fibre disc.
Yep. Yeah, so the grain actually stands up on end, and it's because we've got those sharp points, that what gives it all the benefits.
Fantastic. So we've got a saving on time in terms of how quickly you can get through the process. And that other advantage there about the reduction in heat, I like the sound of that, which means that it's not working as hard.
Yeah, and especially if you're working on like stainless steel, for example, it'll tend to discolour when it gets heat through it. So using a Cubitron product, you can actually reduce that discoloration too.
Fantastic. So if you'd like to know more about the 3M Fibre Discs, reach out to your nearest Motion branch.